Step back in time to 1969, an era of muscle cars and automotive legends. This is the story of the iconic 1969 Chevrolet Nova SS. In the late 60s, Chevrolet introduced the Nova Supersport, or SS for short. It was an instant hit among enthusiasts. The Nova SS was more than a car. It was a symbol of power and style, proudly displaying the SS emblem on its grille. Under the hood, you could find a range of engines, from the spirited 327 V8 to the thunderous 396 V8, delivering heart-pounding performance. But it wasn't just about speed. The Nova SS was a work of art, blending aggression with elegance, turning heads wherever it went. It's not just a car, it's a piece of history. Every drive feels like a journey back in time. Today, Nova SS owners keep the legacy alive, meticulously restoring and preserving these classic gems. The 1969 Chevrolet Nova SS, a timeless masterpiece that continues to captivate generations of car lovers.